Hey there, we're multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. So we have 2 1/5 times 3 1/2. So the easiest thing to do here would be to turn these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So let's turn 2 1/5 into an improper fraction. So 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So that's 11/5. And then 3 1/2 as an improper fraction is 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 1 is 7, over the denominator 2. Now I can easily multiply. And the way you multiply fractions is you multiply the numerator times the numerator and the denominator times the denominator. So 11 times 7 is 77, over 5 times 2, which is 10. 77/10, let's put it in simplest terms. Let's take 77 and divide it by 10 and we get 77 remaining. So we have 7 7/10 as our final answer. That's it. Thank you.